How to fix high ping issue on Roblox. First, on your search bar, you want to search for Roblox, and once a Roblox player appears, right click on it, click on open file location. Then it's going to show this. Now you want to right click on Roblox player and click on open file location again. Inside here, it's going to highlight Roblox player beta. Right click on it and click on properties this time. Then inside here, you want to choose digital signatures. Inside here, you will see the option Roblox Corporation. Click on it, and over here, you want to choose the option details. Inside of details, you want to click on the option called view certificate. Inside here, you want to choose install certificate. Over here, you want to choose current user and click on next. And over here, you can choose automatically, click on next. And here, click on finish and then click on OK. Now you just have to confirm all this OK over here. And once you do that, you should not get ping issue again in Roblox. And make sure your Wi-Fi is fast as well. If your Wi-Fi is slow, doing anything over here is not going to fix it. So keep that in mind and subscribe to our channel.